Great battery race between USA and China. Who will win race? Welcome to the Great Battery Race. On one side, China, the undisputed leader in battery manufacturing, dominating supply chains, R&D, and innovation. On the other, the United States, fast-tracking investments and pioneering the next generation of battery tech. China currently produces roughly 70–80% of the world's lithium-ion batteries and controls key materials like lithium, cobalt, graphite, and nickel. State-backed giants like CATL and BYD lead the pack, and even groundbreaking tech like 5-minute charging is already hitting the market. Meanwhile, the US is playing catch-up, channeling over $100 billion into energy storage and battery infrastructure, thanks to federal incentives and the Inflation Reduction Act. But right now, most of that money still supports conventional lithium-ion tech, not the next frontier. Here's where the race gets interesting. The future is solid-state batteries. These next-gen powerhouses promise higher energy density, faster charging, and more safety, without the graphite dependency that gives China a chokehold. US labs and startups are making big strides, but momentum and scale still lean heavily toward China. So, who will win this epic showdown? For now, China has the lead. But if the US doubles down on solid-state innovation and shapes a resilient, homegrown battery ecosystem, the race isn't over yet.